lots of birds. Parrot, all these kinds of birds. Yeah. A busy day for birds. Can you imagine just for one day you are a busy bird? Yes, a bird. Hooray! The sun is up. The sky is blue. Wake up and shout, cock-a-doodle. Flap your wings and you can fly higher and up, up in the sky. Hop, 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 back, back, back. Now swim along and stretch up your neck. Say hello. Darling. Then swoop like a starling. Swoop up and down. Swoop around and around. Scratch the ground with your feet. Catch a flying wiggly ball with your beak. Stand very tall on just one leg. Say cluck cluck and lay an egg. Catch a wiggly snake and stretch out your wings. Weather like a penguin.
Yes.
In the snow. Run like an ostrich. Go, go, go. Show off your tail and wiggle your bum. Now sit in your nest and cuddle with Mom. What a busy bird. You have been the furniture and
The funniest one
funniest one
I have
I have
ever
ever
seen.
seen. Your
What is it? You began the day
Cock a
doodle doo. Now
Now say good
night.
night. Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Who? Who?
End. Parents and kids, subscribe my channel. Today we are learn about one book. So parents, kids, please subscribe our channel. Goodbye. Bye. Bye.